Good morning, students. Today, prepare the one electric arc welding job. This job name is a double B button. This job raw material required is 100 length and 50 breadth and 60 thickness of two pieces of mild steel flat. This flat measuring and marking by the help of steel rule, tri-square and skyway. Measuring and marking by the help of steel rule, tri-square and skyway. Then the large flat holding by the bench vise. Bench vise is a holding tools. Then cutting by help of the hexa with vise. This one is the hexa. Cutting the job, 2 numbers of flat, filing with raw flat file and bench vise. V preparation of two sides on 45 angle. That above job, after beveling, take welding done by the welding machine. Take welding necessity to control the distortion or offset and the necessity. Then after taking above the job, 2 numbers of job, next operation come out the full welding. Full welding by help of welding machine. Welding machine is a step down AC transformer. This transformer outside terminal is a 2 terminals. One is a cable with earth clamp to fixing the working table. Then next terminal is a cable with holder to holding the electrode. Electrode is additional metal. Electrode is additional metal. This metal added by the base metal. Okay. At first, measuring and marking by the help of steel rule and skywire and tri-square. First, steel rule is a 100 length measuring by skywire and tri-square. Then next, flat is measuring by the help of tri-square and skywire. The both flat measuring and marking is completed, then holding the bench vise. Then we start the beveling process. The both side 45 angle filing.
1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25 26 27 28 29 30 31 32 33 34 35 36 37 38 39 40 41 42 43 44 45 46 47 48 49 50 51 52 53 54 55 56 57 58 59 60 61 62 63 64 65 66 67 68 69 70 71 72 73 74 75 76 77 78 79 80 81 82 83 84 85 86 87 88 89 90 91 92 93 94 95 96 97 98 99 100 101 102 103 104 105 106 107 108 109 110 111 112 113 114 115 116 117 118 119 120 121 122 123 124 125 126 127 128 129 130 131 132 133 134 135 136 137 138 139 140 141 142 143 144 145 146 147 148 149 150 151 152 153 154 155 156 157 158 1
This one is a single V. The other side is a same process is filing. This one is a double V. The double V both flat complete the filing process, then tack welding is a necessity. Now, this job, two side V preparation are already completed. The both sides double V. This two jobs add the slides of welding. This name is a tack welding. Tack welding necessity for to control the distortion or offset in the job. Okay. Then next operation is a complete welding. Before going the complete welding, necessity of certification rules. One is a hand gloves, other one is a leather apron, third one is a hand screen or eye certification tools. Okay. Generally, four types of welding joints. Number one is a single V bolt joint. This one is a single V bolt joint. This one is a double V bolt joint. Okay. Then outside corner joint, lap joint. Four types of welding joint. This one is a double V bolt joint. Welding position is a four types. One is a flat position. Second one is a horizontal position. Third one is a vertical position. Fourth one is a overhead position. This position, both position, flat position and horizontal position degree is 60 to 75 degree. Then vertical overhead position degree is 90 degree. Electrode to holder degree is a 90 degree. This one is a electrode. Electrode size is 3.15 mm diameter. This is electrode ampere is a setting, ampere is a 80 to 120. Now under is a fitting in a welding machine. Okay, electrode outside is a coating name is a flux. Flux, why necessity of flux? Flux is a burning after the flux to formation of the slag to sealing the inner welding bit. Why? Gradually cooling inner welding jobs. Okay. Arc welding holder. This name is the arc welding holder. Holder is a fixing the electrode. Now this one is a downward position. Downward position degree is a 60 to 75 degree. Okay. This is a tack welding. Done in a tack welding. This name is a tack welding. This name is a tack welding. Then complete welding the start. This welding electrode is a depositor, flux to formation of the slabs in your welding bit. In your welding bit. This name is a welding bit. Okay. This one is a sputter. Why necessity of sputter? Sputter due to long arc or unbalance of the operator hand to formation of the sputter. Okay. Now sixth operation name is a finishing. Finishing operation required in a chipping hammer and steel wire brush. Chipping hammer working principle is to remove the slag and sputter. Okay. This one is a slag. This one is a slag. This one is a welding bit. Then steel wire brush is to finishing the inner job. This name is a flat tongue. Flat tongue, why necessity of welding section and flat tongue? Tongue necessity for to hot job to holding. Hot job in holding. Okay. Complete the welding. To coolness of the job, provide the atmosphere air. Okay, thank you.